welcome again to our Serbian lesson. Today we will discuss about the word order, Serbian word order. Important thing if you just started learning Serbian to know these basic rules. So I put here the note that not all the rules of constructing sentences are included here, but this is for beginners who just started learning Serbian and want to construct sentences using those words they know. For each language, there are some specific way of constructing how you will arrange words in a sentence. For example, in English, they are using subject, verb, object. Let's say, I am drinking water. I is subject, and then after the subject, it will be verb, drinking, and the object is water, SVO. And in my language, which is Cebuano, it is VSO, which is first the verb, and after that, the subject, and after that, the object. Like, nag-inom ko og tubig. That is the translation of I am drinking water. So, nag-inom is the verb, ko is I, which is the subject, and the object is water. So, that is VSO for Cebuano. But, the interesting and the advantage of Serbian is you can use any of these arrangements. You can use this SVO, VSO, OSV. You see, I put here OVS, VOS. SVO is the most natural, like in English, it's SVO. But if you, for example, for me, my mother tongue is Cebuano, and we are using VSO. So if I am used to that order, I can use that also in Serbian. That is one of the advantage of Serbian. So how it is possible that you can use either of this arrangement? That is because of cases. That is why they have cases, because you can arrange whatever you want but without someone misinterpret you. That is why Serbian cases is important to understand, to learn, to know when you start constructing sentences. So I put here the example, I am eating watermelon. In English, it is subject, verb, object. I am subject, verb, eating. Watermelon is the object. You can use SVO. Here, you see SVO. Ja jedem lubenicu. Ja is the subject, jedem is the verb, and lubenicu is the object. So SVO, you can use that. If you still don't know Serbian cases, how to apply those cases, I created in my previous video the explanation how you will do Serbian cases. I think it's better before learning sentence construction to learn Serbian cases first. So you can review that in my previous video, and let's meet here after. Let's start first with SVO word order, which is subject, verb, and object. That is ja jedem lubenicu. First the subject ja, after is the verb jedem, and the next is lubenicu, which is the object. You see, this is accusative. Lubenica became lubenicu because it is the object. Let's go with the VSO word order, which is verb, subject, and object. Jedem is the verb. Jedem ja lubenicu. First is jedem, which is the verb. Ja is the subject, and the object is lubenicu. It's same meaning. Let's go to OSV. Object, subject, verb. Lubenicu ja jedem. So first is object, lubenicu. Ja, which is subject, and jedem is the verb. So lubenicu ja jedem. This has the same meaning, these three. Even they are in different word orders, they have the same meaning, which is I am eating watermelon. Let's go to SOV, which is subject, object, verb. Ja lubenicu jedem. Ja is subject, lubenicu is object, jedem is verb. OVS, object, verb, subject. Lubenicu jedem ja. Lubenicu is the object, jedem is the verb, and the subject is ja. And VOS, verb, object, subject. Jedem lubenicu ja. Verb, object, subject. So I put here, there are some sentences here that sound strange, but you can say it like that. Everyone will understand you and won't misinterpret you. I highlighted this that sounds natural, which is SBO. So let's add instrumental. If you don't know what is instrumental, I also have a previous video which I explained how to do instrumental cases, so you can watch it there. I am eating watermelon with my sister. This is instrumental, with my sister. So we added with my sister in this sentence. You can also use those word orders and add this either at the beginning of the sentence, middle, or last. So you can also rearrange that instrumental you added, whether if it's in the beginning, last, or middle. You will get the same meaning, which is I am eating watermelon with my sister. So now let's add this instrumental at the last sentence. Ja jedem lubenicu sa mojim sestrom. Here I put it in the middle. You see, jedem ja sa mojim. There are some sentences which sound strange, but they are understandable. Jedem ja sa mojim sestrom lubenicu, sa mojim sestrom lubenicu, ja jedem. You see, I put here at the last, I put it in the middle, I put it in the beginning, middle, beginning, last. So that is the power of Serbian cases. Okay, let's go to locative. Again, if you don't know what is locative, you can watch my video about locative. I am eating watermelon with my sister in the park. In the park is locative. U parku. Ja jedem lubenicu sa mojim sestrom u parku. Same as in instrumental, you can put it at the beginning of the sentence, middle, or last. So, ja jedem lubenicu sa mojim sestrom u parku jedem ja sa mojim sestrom lubenicu. So here I put it in the last, at the beginning, in the middle. So that is that for constructing Serbian sentences. Important thing is you must know Serbian cases. That is the most important thing, so that you can use these word orders you want. So I put in the conclusion, some of the sentences sound unnatural, but you can still use them. That is why it's important to learn the Serbian cases. Once you learn them, you can use any variation of these word orders. This is the basic rule you must know about constructing Serbian sentence. If you have any question, you can write a reply under this topic. The link topic is in the description below if you want to see this. I will see you in my next video. I wish you all the best and see you. Bye bye.